the Canopy House is elevated on concrete pillars to offer views of the treetops in Brazil's Atlantic forest. A vacation home that is not only open in layout, but also exposed to the elements of nature. Designed by Studio MK27, the residence is situated in a tranquil countryside setting, immersed in the lush Atlantic forest of southeastern Brazil, seemingly disappearing into the dense vegetation. The thick veil of surrounding trees makes the house discreet and secluded, despite being just 5 minutes from the beach and about a 2-hour drive from downtown São Paulo. A kobogo, designed exclusively for this house, casts shadows that paint the interior with a unique pattern that changes throughout the day. This effect adds a layer of texture to the symphony of materials. On the first floor, 5 bedrooms and a TV room are arranged in a row, opening onto a large balcony furnished with comfortable hammocks. The balcony linking all the bedrooms also serves as the main circulation space between them and the living areas. To reach the bedrooms from the living room, one must step outside. This way, you are constantly surrounded by the sounds of birds, the wind through the trees, and the rain. The main entrance, accessed via a spiral staircase, connects the terrace to the bedrooms. This strategy eliminates indoor alternatives for connecting spaces, offering a radical experience of the climate, winds, scents, and light of the jungle. At the top, the main living space is partially open to the elements and partially enclosed, yet entirely connected to nature through expansive glass surfaces. The interior design exclusively explores Brazilian culture, featuring contemporary national design pieces, traditional craftsmanship, and original works in every texture and object. This large terrace offers a perfect view of the treetops and a glimpse of the distant ocean, all while remaining carefully hidden from nearby neighbors. The restrained material palette, concrete, South American pinewood, and basalt stone, creates a minimalist interior language that does not compete with the natural spectacle outside. Even so, the architects ensured that the indoor surfaces had a softer, cozier feel appropriate for a domestic setting. The position of the Canopy House was meticulously planned to avoid disrupting the surrounding nature and to adhere to strict construction limits. The site, characterized by steep slopes in the middle of a tropical forest, posed significant challenges during both the design and construction processes. To avoid extensive excavations and to respect the existing environment, the house was raised on concrete pillars. The white prism is suspended and barely touches the ground, minimizing its impact on the ecosystem below. The ground level has a relatively small footprint, housing service and storage areas, and an outdoor living room that provides an immersive forest experience. Across all floors, outdoor spaces break up the interiors, taking the form of terraces, gardens, walkways, and sculptural circular staircases. The interior design exclusively celebrates Brazilian culture, featuring contemporary national design, traditional craftsmanship, and original works in every texture and object. The Canopy House is a tribute to Brazil, its stunning nature, and its endless cultural diversity. The house's elevated position not only offers breathtaking views of the landscape, but also allows natural ventilation and light to flood the interiors, enhancing the harmony between the built environment and the natural world. With its content, context, and design intent, the Canopy House is a home that integrates seamlessly with its surroundings in every sense. It is a retreat defined by openness, offering comfort, breathtaking views, colorful birds, and the enchanting sounds of the forest. A truly perfect place.